walk to an adventure. Guys, let's go. Let's go to lunch. Let's go say hi to Donica.
Okay, I don't know. I don't want to go.
Why? Hi, Marcus. Alright, we should go for home. Come here, MJ. Come here. It's gonna be on my MySpace video. Yeah. Bye. It is lunch. Pretty crazy. We're using Kate's camera because I didn't bring mine. Oh, that's 4 eyes right there. 4 eyes. Come on.